Hi guys, what we have here is a 1/64 scale dump truck. It is a 2.4 gigahertz, 8-channel. It's fully proportional, rubber tires. You can dump the bed, very cool. Works really well. Takes 3 AAA batteries to get it working. Pretty strong, good size. You can see here we're using plastic beads with its counterpart, the excavator. There's a whole lineup of these. We have the dump truck, the excavator, they have a front end loader, a forklift, and I believe that's all. They're all fully proportional. We're going to test them all eventually. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you in the loop. Thank you once again for watching this channel. I appreciate your support. Have a great day.